Hi everyone, welcome to this video. I am not sure how it's going to come out. I don't feel very comfortable doing this, but here it goes. And a little bit about myself. My name is Martha Islas. My friends sometimes call me Mar for short. That is something that people that live on the coast we like to do. We like to shorten words. I was born in Acapulco, Mexico. The first picture shows one of the iconic places in Mexico from where I was born. But I also lived in Ensenada. I lived there for about 4 years, a long time ago. A beautiful place, but don't get fooled by the ocean. Those two places are very different. And I also lived in Mexico City for about 3 years. That's where I did my high school. Some of you might be acquainted with that place, which is now the new MTC. Beautiful place. I can only speak for myself, and I can tell you that although it is beautiful, I truly hated those trees. Something else about me, I work as a medical assistant, and I am going to leave it at that because I'm very tired. I'm currently living with my family in the state of Texas. We live in a city called Denton. It's about 40 minutes north of Dallas. And we like it here. We have 3 universities. It's a very small town, but with lots of diversity of people because of all the college students that we have. This is my family. So I'm married to my husband. His name is Pablo. We got sealed in the Mexico City temple. And this is my oldest son, Kenny, and my youngest is Nathan. We also have a cat, but she deserves a video all to herself, so I didn't put a picture here. Maybe next time, if there's a next time. I kind of fell in love with teaching when I was serving my mission, and the thought never came to my mind. I was already bilingual before I served my mission, but I've never thought about teaching. And when I was there, I had a companion who was very much into it, especially with kids. And so after my mission, I was able to enroll in private schools and in tutoring, and I began to work in that field, and I loved it. Most of my experience has been limited to children, but now I am looking forward to work more with adults. And so I am excited about all the things that we're going to learn in this semester, because usually adults are the ones that have like a bigger baggage of prejudice and wrong stereotypes of people from other countries or cultures. So I am really excited about learning how to kindly polish those differences. When it comes to the learning style delineator results, I was kind of not really excited about doing it. I've done several other quizzes and tests about IQ or like learning styles, and usually my results tended to either overlap, so I kind of always felt confused about the results. They didn't tell me anything very clear, or whenever they did, the gap between each category was kind of like very, very slight. There was always like a 2 or 3 or even 5 difference of a mark. So I went in this with very little excitement, and it was very surprising. I got exact tight with my 2 top results. I had the abstract random and abstract sequential, and it made a lot of sense, and it helped me sort of understand myself better and the way that I learn and the way that even I perform at work. Part of my training took place while I was working, and I could totally relate to the information that I was able to read based on these results, because I knew I could do it, like I knew I could learn it, but the levels of stress and the way that I felt about the environment and the way that the information affected me and my family as I was learning definitely change the way that I was doing my job, and whether or not I would make mistakes, or whether or not I will learn or pick up things faster. It looks like I'm taking too long now, so I'll leave you to it. I'm excited about this result. The other two categories for me were extremely low, like an 8 in one and a 24 on the other one. For this one, I got a 44. So I'm excited to do this with other friends and family members, and even in the future apply to my students. I think it's very accurate, and it was very helpful. Anyways, hope to get to know you guys, and I will see you in the next video, hopefully. Bye.